Hi everyone and good evening and welcome to DIY Friday. I'm sorry I have to apologize to you guys for my video being really late, but I really wanted you guys uh, to see this DIY today. So this DIY is going to be about it's called Swan uh, natural shell earrings. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to need, well, here are the items that you are going to need for this DIY. You're going to need some 20 gauge wire. You're going to need 7 inches of 12 gauge wire, and you guys know that I've been doing a lot of DIYs using 12 gauge wire, aluminum wire. Next, you're going to need some flat round pearls. Okay, these are flat pearls, so you are definitely going to need a pair of these, and you're going to need 2 per earring. Okay, and you're going to need your natural shell, which is, this is natural seashell. This is real. Okay, you're going to need some wire cutters, round nose pliers, and your hot glue gun. And you are also going to need a jump ring, which I don't have in the front of me, and a fish hook. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and start, we're going to make our swan, because our swan is going to be the part that we connect the natural shell to. So we're going to make a loop, okay, and then we're just going to start rolling it up. And we want to try to make it as tight, to get it as tight as possible. And then I usually take my finger and just do the rest, rolling it up, okay? And the reason why I call these a swan is because you'll see, it's going to look like a little fish up at the top. Well, not a fish, but a bird. Okay, this is what you're going to have right here. And we're going to take the very top part of it and just fold it over like this. And I don't know if you've ever paid attention to a swan or a duck when they're in the water. This is exactly what it looks like. So this is what you're going to have. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take our flat round pearls, which are these, and we're just going to take our glue gun and we're going to put a little bit right here and put on our pearl. Okay, and then we're just going to flip it over and we're going to put a little glue on the back. And do the same thing that we did on the first one. And clean it up. Okay, and this is our swan. So this is what we have. So we have our flat pearl on both sides of our earring. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and assemble this. We're going to take some 20 gauge wire and give yourself a generous amount. So cut about at least 6 inches. And we're going to go ahead and make our loop. Like that. And we're going to give it a little indentation. Like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and actually, let's see. We're going to go ahead and connect these two. So I'm going to push this through like that. And this is what you're going to have, guys. It's going to be connected. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and close this off. So we're going to take these two pieces, squeeze it in, push this piece up, and just start wrapping it around once or twice if you can get it. And then I am going to take my wire cutters and just snip this off, and my flat nose pliers, and squeeze in the excess That's on there. Now the next thing I'm going to do, now we don't need a jump ring. At first I thought I was going to need a jump ring, but we actually don't need one. So I'm going to take my natural shell and I'm going to put this on. And bring it all the way down. And as you can see, the earring is coming to life. And then I am going to keep my wire like this. Okay, not to the side, but this going through the way it's going through your swan. Okay, and then we're going to try to hold it in place because up at the top we're going to make it round. So up at the top we're going to do this. We're going to make a loop at the top. You're going to make a loop, and it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm going to push it up. Okay, and then we're going to give it a little indentation. Okay, and then we're going to push this piece right here up, and we're going to start wrapping it around. Okay, and we want this piece to stay exactly where we have it. Okay, so we went around twice. Okay, and this is what we have, guys. So we want this piece to stay just like this so that when we put our earring in, it'll stay in place. Now you may have to make a little adjustment down the bottom so that that piece can stay that way and this piece can stay this way, but that's okay, because that's what you want. You may have to make an adjustment. So we're going to come and we're just going to snip this off. Come on. Like that. And we're going to squeeze it in. Okay, just to make sure that there is nothing sticking. And then last but not least, guys, we're going to go ahead and add on our fish hook, and we will be done. Okay, guys, so here is our finished look. Our swan natural shell earrings. These are really, really cute, guys. I want to thank you guys for tuning in into today's DIY, even though today is almost Saturday. But I thank you guys for watching. Y'all have a wonderful, awesome weekend. Peace and blessings. See ya.